Yeah, girl, you're so overwhelming.
Hey guys, so welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a natural glam look. I feel like this is the perfect makeup if you want to just be more natural but still be super glammed up. With the eyeliner and the fake eyelashes, it really just adds a lot to this makeup look. So hope you guys like it, and if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching.
Like, oh, na, na, oh, na, na, yeah.
So to get started, I'm just going in with my Urban Decay B6 Vitamin-Infused Complexion Priming Spray. I'm going to be going in with the NARS Pore and Shine Control Primer. To apply the foundation, I am going to go in with a beauty sponge. So to get it wet, I just go in with my Urban Decay De-Slick Makeup Setting Spray for oil control. Usually you can use water, but I like to use my setting spray. I feel like it just sets my makeup at the same time. So I'm going in with the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I'm in the shade Punjab.
Like, oh, na, 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 na. Like, oh, na, na, oh, na, na, yeah. When you're around, I know I hardly speak. You got me now, oh baby. You make it so hard for a guy like me, rocking those hips like nobody. Yeah, girl, you're so overwhelming. You're like a song to which my heartbeat is playing. Like, oh, na, 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 na. There's a poison in your lip, and I can't get over it. 'Cause girl, you're so overwhelming. Like, oh, na, na, oh, na, na, yeah. Still waiting for the time to pass you by. You're out of my league, but maybe if I just...
Okay guys, so next I'm going to be doing concealer. I'm going to go in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm in the shade Custard.
might act together right. I've got your moment just right. No, 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 no. You're so overwhelming. You're like a song to which my heartbeat is playing. Like, oh, na, 'cause girl, you're so overwhelming. Like, oh, na, na, oh, na, na, yeah. I can't hold it no longer. I can't hold it no longer. I can't control it.
Just last week I picked up a darker concealer, and I'm going to be using it to be contouring my face. So I'm going to go in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, except this is in the shade Medium Dark 3. The name is Amande. Don't know. So I do a light line on my forehead, down my temples, cheek, lip. I'm going to be using a beauty sponge to buff it out. So as I'm doing this, I'm just dabbing it into the skin and kind of going back into my hairline, just because I don't want to see a line of dark to light, since obviously my scalp is going to be whiter. And I'm just going to bring it on my temples and do the same thing and just kind of buff it into my hairline, and then on the skin. For my cheeks, what I usually do, I don't want to get any product below my cheekbone, so when I do it, I like press in, but kind of like have an upward motion. So like I said, I'm just going into the skin and kind of bringing it up, but I'm making kind of quick motions. And then I just dab it to make sure it's all even. And as you can see, it kind of just goes into the skin really nice. I'm doing the same on this side. And then I'm going to use the sponge for my nose. Usually I use that brush, but I'm going to use a sponge today. So I lightly dab it in the places that I put it. And as I'm doing the sides of my nose, I'm going to like squeeze the Beauty Blender. This is where a brush kind of comes in handy for your nose, but I kind of want it to have the same look all over. And I feel like beauty sponges and beauty blenders just give you that nice airbrush look, and which is what I want for my nose. To set my face, I'm going in with the DERMABLEND Professional Loose Setting Powder. So last week I also tried doing this with my beauty sponge. I don't know how I feel about it. Like, I kind of got a lot of creasing under my eye, like right under the lid. So I'm going to try it again today, but not go as close. So I'm just going to dab it. And then do the last part on my eye. When I did it for the first time, I just felt like it really soaked into my skin, which I liked. With the beauty sponge, I also try to only do the spots that I highlighted or use my concealer. And then I still kind of go in with my It Cosmetics brush, my angled brush, and just kind of go all over. So I'm going to do that now. It is the number 227. I'm just going to go over my cheeks, just so that has some translucent powder as well. Next, I'm going to warm up my face and just do some bronzer. I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Ultra Bronze. I'm going in with my It Cosmetics contour brush.
You're in my skin. I'm moving closer with every beat. I can't control it. You're everything. To feel your heartbeat.
I am going to go over my contour on my nose with a contour brush from It Cosmetics, just to make sure that my nose is snatched. And I don't need too much. Usually I'll just put some product right like on the top ridge and put the rest of it underneath my lip. And then I just go back in and then buff it out, because I don't want all that excess product to be on my nose. Since I already contoured it, I don't need that much powder. Next, I'm going in with my It Cosmetics brush, number 307. I'm just going to be warming up my neck. This is honestly probably like my new everyday makeup look, but it's definitely like a night out glam in my eyes. And once I get to the eyes, you'll understand that it's totally like a natural glam, which is what I like. And so having that as an everyday look is just something I've been liking lately, but I love it. You guys are going to be so proud of me. I did go out and buy a new blush. If you guys are new to my channel, I've been looking for a new blush like even before I started these YouTube videos. And I looked at the Orgasm one and I just felt like it was too sparkly for me because that's how my last one was. And so I looked at some other ones that they had, and so I picked one. I got this shade. Okay, I was with my friend Anna. She's my coworker at Every. We went to Sephora together and she helped me pick it out. And we were dying at the name. Like I said, NARS just has the weirdest names for their makeup. But I am in the shade Deep Throat. But come on guys, like this is such a pretty shade. So yeah guys, I'm going to be using the blush Deep Throat. I'm going in with my Sephora brush number 91. Now this is really pigmented, but I feel like all their blushes are. So I'm just going to lightly tap this into my cheeks. And I feel like it gives you the perfect amount of pink back into your cheek. I feel like after you do makeup, it's just not as natural looking, which I always love the natural flush to your cheeks, so I just love this color. Time for highlighter. I'm going in with the MAC Soft and Gentle Mineralize Skinfinish Highlighter. I'm going with my IT Cosmetics brush number 223. And I'm just through the top of my cheek. I'm going to do my collarbones since they're showing. I'm going with my finger on my Cupid's bow. And then I'm going to do the tip of my nose. The top part of the bridge. And there. I got a tiny nose. I'm going to put some chapstick on really quick. You guys already know which palette I'm going to be using today, and it is the Morphe 35V palette. If you haven't watched my previous videos, this is the newest palette I got, and I am in love. Honestly, probably one of the best palettes that you could own. I feel like it has all the colors that you need, especially for fall. I always forget to tell you guys this brush, and I apologize, but I always use the IT Cosmetics brush number 322 for my eyes. I feel like it's just a really good all-around brush. Since this is a natural glam look, I'm only going to do one color all over my eye. I wanted to make it look like I have no eyeshadow on and that it's super natural. So I just go in with the shade Go Nude. And I start in the inner corner of my eye. And then I just bring it all over the lid. And I bring it all the way up to my eyebrow. I'm going to do the other eye. I'm going to take a eyeshadow palette brush. It's like a matte. It's like a really nice dense brush that I got in a Urban Decay makeup palette, but it's just flat. I'm going to go in with the shade First Date. It's just a nice nude. It's a, what is the name? It's like a nice nude highlighter. But I just go in the inner corners of my eye. I think I am going to go back in though and highlight my brow. Time for eyebrows. I'm going with Anastasia Brow Wiz pencil. I just brush up my brows on both sides. I do a line under. And I bring my tail out. You just kind of follow your hair. And I don't use too many strokes because I do want this to look as natural as possible. I'm going to do the other side. Going in with the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. As you guys know, I just like to bring my hairs up to get them a little fuller looking. This natural glam look, I always do eyeliner. I have never done eyeliner with you guys in a makeup video, but I always go in with the Urban Decay Perversion Waterproof Fine Point Eye Pen. So I'm just going to do it step by step, but I'm going to do it in a mirror, and then I'm going to show you what I did. So I'm going to do my right eye first. I line it up with the end of the tail of my eyebrow, and I bring it down into the corner of my eye. So I connect it to the bottom, and then this top part, I'm just going to connect it to my lid. So this is the final look. Oh, I'm going to quickly do the other eye, and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so I'm done with my eyeliner. I am just going to quickly set my face before I do my mascara. I'm using the Urban Decay De-Slick Makeup Setting Spray again, and I just go all over. I'm going to go in with a normal eyelash curler and quickly going in with the Ardell Lash Lookbook. This is a really nice purchase. This is what they are. They're nice and thin in the inner corner, and they get bigger as you go out. This kind of gives you the more natural but glammed out look. Going with an eyelash curler, and I do curl them once they're on. Honestly, feel like it just really puts them in place, and it makes sure they're not going to go anywhere. Next, I'm just going in with my Benefit Roller Lash Mascara, and I go at the root. That way my natural eyelash color doesn't pop out, because obviously this girl does not have black. I'm going to do the other eye because you saw how much I struggled with this one, so I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I got both my eyelashes on. The final step is my NARS Lipstick, the shade Turkish Delight. It is so beautiful, you guys. Like, it's the perfect pink, and you guys know I love pink nudes.
Speak. You got me now.
Okay, you guys, so this is the final look.
You make it so hard for a guy like me, rocking those hips like nobody. Yeah, girl, you're so overwhelming. Oh. You're like a song to reach my heartbeat.
I feel like this is the perfect natural glam makeup, especially with the eyeliner and the lashes. It really just adds a lot. And I did do a neutral lip just because it is a natural glam. If you wanted to do a bit more of a night out glam, you could easily do a fun red lip or like a dark purple. You can really have a lot of fun with this look. But this is my natural glam, and I hope you guys like it. Make sure to like, comment, and share, and subscribe if you're not already. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.
Like